Yeah, one of the thing they used to call me on and call stush. And some guys expect you to eat a certain way, um, you know, to be attractive. That's why I don't eat in public. Because I know I'm not attractive eating in public. But I can try if I'm real hungry and always have some guy want to talk to me or following behind me or I'm going to buy pizza or something like that and I sit in the preacher place when I go to the city and they're just freaking watching me. Sometimes I just get fed up and I just change the game. You know what I mean? So most guys would want you to eat, properly. They would say properly. And if I had some guys who are watching me liking me, of course I'm gonna eat like this. I I don't want to swallow too fast. You know what I mean? Okay. Guess you're still watching me. So I can have to eat like this. I I guess in God no. Fucking God know what the fuck. In God no. What? In God no. Um. In God no. No brother. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. In God no. Mm-hmm. Damn. This chicken is good. Rice and peas and chicken. Jamaican style with gravy. Boy, me I tell you. The man there so long I look and I look and I look. Me feel pick and I pick and I pick like when mosquito bite. Please. So, when you now look. When you now look. How when you gonna work. Try it before you come. If you want to eat in peace. If you want to eat in peace. Try it before you come from work. Just try it in peace. When they eat me, nobody disturb me, nobody me. That's me take my time. Look like somebody around me down. That's okay, me know who run me down. Me can't sit down in a pick and a pick like me I put lipstick on my lip for please nobody. So I will not run me down. So me eat fast before you come. You understand me? No complaining, no excuse, no remark. Do it quick before you come. Do it quick before you come.